Hi oven mates, welcome back to Quinty's Bakery, your baking plug and go-to spot for all things sweet and delicious. So today we are going to be making this delicious double chocolate banana cake. Saying this chocolate cake is delicious is an understatement. Like guys, trust me, it's mouth-watering, soft, sumptuous. There is no way I can explain how delicious this cake is and how simple and straightforward it is. You don't need a machine to do this cake. It's very straightforward and gets ready in less than 35 minutes. So guys, please get your aprons and let's get started. And also don't forget to like, follow me, subscribe to my channel for more easy yet tantalizing baking recipes. So we will start by mixing all our dry ingredients together. We have flour, which we are going to sieve, and then we have baking powder, and we are going to sieve that. And then we also have cocoa powder, and we also need baking soda. Complete measurements will be found in the description below. So please check the description below to get full measurements and also a pinch of salt, and you also need some sugar. So go ahead and gradually stir this up with a whisk. You don't need a machine. Stir this until they are fully incorporated. And then next up, we will mix together our wet ingredients in a separate bowl. We will pour in our eggs and whisk it. No machine needed, no stress guys. And then after that, you will just go ahead and pour in your mashed bananas. So as I said, complete measurements, complete quantities of all the ingredients will be found in the description below. Give this a gentle stir and continue mixing till you have a smooth homogeneous mixture. So afterwards, you are just going to go ahead and add in some vanilla flavor. This gives the cake some kind of taste, some kind of rich flavor, and then you go ahead and add in your oil. I said that at the beginning and I'm going to say it again. This cake, it's something so special. It's so yummy, it's so delicious. Now comes the fun part. We are gently going to pour in our wet ingredients into the bowl of dry ingredients, stirring slowly and carefully until they come together to form a smooth paste. It is important not to overmix at this stage, and we want our cake to be light and fluffy, not tough and dense. Then just pour in the coffee drink. So I'm going to explain that in the description below. You just need some coffee and then pour that in the mixture and continue stirring gradually. The chocolate cream is quite easy to make. So you need heavy cream, some butter, and chocolate. So you chop your chocolate into very tiny pieces. You warm your heavy cream in the microwave for 30 seconds and then put in again for another 30 seconds till it's hot. Then you take the butter and pour in the heavy cream and then take the liquid and pour on the chocolate. At this point, the chocolate melts immediately and you just give it a gentle stir till you get a homogeneous mixture. That's it. It's quite easy to bake. Just keep mixing gently till you have a very smooth paste. You need to be patient so that you don't have lumps of chocolate inside. Once that's done, you just wrap it with plastic foil and let it stay at room temperature overnight, not in the refrigerator, just at room temperature. So the next day, and of course, the cake has completely cooled down. So we are just going to go ahead and decorate it with our cream. Just do whatever thing you want to do at this stage with the decoration. This was just an inspiration. So Now the next day you see the cream has hardened up. Take your hand mixer and whip up the cream and it becomes really creamy. Don't forget, do not put the chocolate in the refrigerator. It has to be at room temperature. You see how creamy it is? It's very simple to make and it's very yummy. So at this point, you will just go since it was a tin pan, so I just had to divide the cake into two halves. So one top layer gets the cream and then the next layer also gets the cream, and then I'm just going to decorate it with melted white and dark chocolate. And there you have it, oven made, a mouth-watering double chocolate banana cake that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply indulging in a sweet treat, this cake is sure to delight your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Before we say goodbye, I want to extend my heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for joining us on today's baking session. Please like and subscribe, share as well. Your support and enthusiasm mean the world to me, and I can't wait to see you back here in Quinty's Bakery for our next delicious creation. Until then, keep spreading sweetness, sharing joy and love, baking up a star. Happy baking, dear friends. Bye bye.